C is old, like 1970s old. But don't let the age fool you. C is fast, powerful, and still used in places where performance matters. Operating systems, embedded systems, game engines. It's like using a manual car. You get full control, but you've got to know what you're doing. Take C, add more features, a sprinkle of object-oriented programming, and you've got C++. It's used for high-performance apps, AAA game, and even browsers like Chrome. But warning, C++ can be both powerful and painful if you're not careful. JavaScript makes websites alive. Click a button and something happens? That's probably JavaScript. It runs in browsers and powers frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue. And despite the name, it's got nothing to do with Java. Okay, not technically programming languages, but if you're making websites, you need them. HTML gives structure, like bones. CSS gives style, like clothes. Without them, websites would be ugly and broken. Python is like that cool teacher who makes everything simple. It's beginner-friendly, used in everything from web development to machine learning. Instagram, Spotify, even NASA use Python. If you're just starting, this is your best buddy. Java is everywhere. ATMs, Android apps, backend servers. It's known for being stable, scalable, and a little verbose. But companies love it. It's like the corporate suit of programming languages. If Java is a suit, C# is a sharp blazer. Built by Microsoft, C# is used in enterprise software, game development with Unity, and Windows apps. It's modern, sleek, and plays well with .NET. R is tailor-made for statistics and data visualization. If you're into data science, graphs, and analyzing patterns, R has your back. But outside the data world, it doesn't roam much. Made by Google, Go is fast, simple, and made for building scalable servers. Think lightweight like C, but with training wheels. Developers love it for cloud apps and microservices. If you want to make iPhone apps, Swift is your go-to. It's fast, safe, and designed by Apple for Apple. Kotlin is modern, concise, and fully compatible with Java. Google loves it for Android development, and so do devs who are tired of Java's wordiness. Rust is like C++, but safer and less prone to crash your entire system. Developers love it for its performance and safety. It's gaining popularity fast, especially for systems programming. Haskell is purely functional. It's like programming with math. Very clean, very safe, but hard to wrap your head around if you're new.